Making this candle is fun and easy. Here is how. Our design starts in Canva, where we search for the scene we want to use for our wraparound candle and add some skeletons. Once we have it the way we like it, we will download this as a transparent file. Next, we load our design file into our engraving software and adjust our settings. For this design, we will use our 450 laser, 100 power 8 depth. We are using a 2K resolution. Our height is set to 90 to match our candle vessel, and the effects are set to fill instead of dither. This will engrave faster and give us more of a glow-through effect. And here's our final result. A stunning glow-through effect that sets the perfect eerie mood and turns this candle into a Halloween showstopper. If you loved watching this transformation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more candle art magic. I'll see you next time on The Candle Artist Way.